Hello everyone. For example, instead of asking Copilot to generally summarize our recent marketing performance, a much more effective prompt would instruct it to summarize the key findings from the Q3 marketing metrics.xlsxx spreadsheet and the weekly team meeting transcript. By explicitly defining the source, you drastically reduce the risk of AI fabrications, which are often referred to as hallucinations. You are effectively forcing the AI to strictly synthesize verified, internal company data, rather than guessing or generating plausible-sounding fiction. This is a non-negotiable best practice for maintaining data accuracy and professional integrity in any high-stakes business environment, ensuring that the information provided is reliable and trustworthy. The final pillar is format. Format defines the how. It instructs Copilot on exactly how the final output should be visually structured and presented to you. A common frustration for new AI users is receiving a massive, dense wall of text when they actually only needed a quick, scannable summary. You can entirely eliminate this friction by dictating the structural presentation of the response up front. Do you want the information presented as a concise, bulleted list for quick review? A comparative matrix table for easy analysis? A structured email draft complete with subject lines and a clear call to action? Or perhaps a strict 2-paragraph executive summary tailored for senior leadership? Specifying the format saves valuable time on manual editing. By specifying the format, you save valuable time that would otherwise be wasted manually restructuring the AI's response to meet your presentation needs. A complete, highly optimized master prompt seamlessly weaves all 4 of these components: goal, context, source, and format together, creating a robust instructional framework for Copilot. For example, draft an executive summary, goal, for the VP of Sales highlighting our quarterly wins. Context, using the verified data strictly from the Q3 sales report.docx. Source, present the final output as a 3-column table showing the client name, deal size, and closing date. Format. This level of precision guarantees that Microsoft 365 Copilot delivers a highly tailored, immediately usable business asset, fundamentally transforming your daily workflow and boosting efficiency. For the AB-730 exam, it is crucial that you memorize the 4 pillars of a high-quality prompt: goal, context, source, and format. You will very likely be tested on your ability to identify which of these essential components is missing from a poorly constructed prompt scenario. Understanding each pillar and its role in crafting effective AI instructions is fundamental. Remember, goal defines the action. Context provides the background. Source specifies the data. And format dictates the presentation. This knowledge will not only help you pass the exam, but also become a more proficient and productive AI business professional in your daily tasks, ensuring you get the most out of Copilot. Now, let's transition to a different yet equally crucial aspect of prompt engineering: iterative prompt refinement techniques. The expectation of immediate, flawless perfection is one of the most common pitfalls for professionals newly adopting generative AI. Even if you meticulously apply the 4 core components: goal, context, source, and format, the initial output generated by Microsoft 365 Copilot will rarely be your final, polished deliverable right out of the gate. It's important to view that very first response as a highly advanced, instantly generated rough draft. This understanding is key to unlocking the true collaborative power of Copilot. This is where the true collaborative power of Copilot becomes apparent. The ability to engage in iterative prompt refinement. Iterative refinement is the practice of having a continuous, multi-turn conversation with the AI. Rather than abandoning a slightly off-target response and reverting to manual typing, you act as the creative director. You review the AI's initial work and then provide specific, constructive feedback to mold the content into its final, business-ready form. This approach acknowledges that AI, like a human assistant, benefits from guidance and adjustments to perfectly meet your nuanced requirements, making the process much more efficient and effective. To utilize iterative refinement effectively, you must understand a fundamental technical behavior of Copilot. It maintains conversational memory within a single chat session. This means the AI remembers your original prompt, the source files you referenced, and the exact draft it just produced. Therefore, you do not need to restate your entire initial prompt or reattach documents just to make a small adjustment. For instance, if the AI generates a project update that is technically accurate but far too lengthy for a quick executive briefing, you don't start over from scratch. You simply reply to Copilot in natural language, instructing it to condense the information. Treating the AI like a responsive, highly capable junior colleague drastically reduces user friction, prevents prompt fatigue, and massively accelerates the editing workflow.